Ikaw na yan, ang baba. Tumigil ka agad, ano ba yan?
Candle. Blow. Ah, yan, sinira. Wow! Isa pa. Yan, blow ulit. Wow! Palakpakan naman natin si Simone. Okay, so mommy and daddy, stay there at the back. Kids, upo na kayo together with your mommies and daddies. This time, hindi tayo papayag na walang isang birthday wish coming from mommy and daddy. Daddy, anong birthday wish natin for Simone? Wala kayong birthday wish?
Sana maging mabait ka at huwag matigas ang ulo.
Ay, grabe, naiyak si Jollibee. How about mommy? Wala yung mali. Okay. Okay, palakpakan naman natin si mommy and daddy. Okay, kung may birthday wishes silang dalawa, syempre meron din si Jollibee. Yeah, Jollibee. Okay, Jollibee, how many wishes you have there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wala na pong pang-5 kasi 4 fingers lang po ang meron si Jollibee. Ayan, abnormal. Joke. Okay, Jollibee, ay, nasa antena. Ay, 6. Okay, Jollibee, first wish. Ayun, 12. Okay, ay, ano naman yan? 10. Pagkasama yung antena. Okay, first wish ni Jollibee. Okay, Simone to grow up and become a... Wow! Ano? Palakpakan daw muna. Ayan. Okay, first wish, Simone to grow up and become... Wow! God-fearing person like ni Daddy, Mommy, at nating lahat. Second wish, Simone to grow up and become a pretty and sexy person like ni Mommy. Third wish, Simone to grow up and become a, ayan, kind-hearted person like Nino, Jollibee, me, Daddy, and Mom. And then last wish, Simone to grow up and become a jolly person like none other than the Jollibee. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee with his birthday wishes. We may continue taking pictures na maya-maya. Ayan, magpapaalam na siya. Magsiserve na po tayo ng Jollibee lang half sarap meal.